Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. After once again enjoying all of those delights from last month, I'm definitely feeling super satisfied, but I'm also feeling a few pounds heavier once more. So for this month, I thought we would balance out our indulgences by returning to a fourth round of videos for junk-free January. For this month of January, we will be making 4 more recipes that will hopefully help aid you in returning to a more balanced diet after all those holiday treats. For this episode, we will be making some Marry Me chicken. For this recipe, you will need 8 ounces of pasta, shells, macaroni, or spaghetti work, just choose your favorite. You will also need half a cup of chicken stock, boxed or from concentrate, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 pound of chicken breast, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of paprika, some salt and pepper, 300 grams or 1.5 cups of cottage cheese, 4 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 3 cups or so of spinach, 6 to 8 sun-dried tomatoes, a 1/3 cup of Parmesan, and some fresh basil. These ingredients are enough for about 4 to 6 servings, so adjust as needed. First we'll prepare the pasta, so set a pot to boil and then when it's ready, add in your pasta and cook it a few minutes before al dente as described in your package. During this time, you can dice up your sun-dried tomatoes and grate the Parmesan. And if you need to, you can mix together your stock now as well. Meanwhile, in a large pot or pan, heat up your olive oil, add in your chicken breast, and your Italian seasoning, paprika, and some salt and pepper. I recommend cutting up the chicken into bite-sized pieces before adding it to the pan so that it cooks faster, but up to you. In either case, cook your chicken until it has browned on all sides, about 5 to 8 minutes. Then take it off the heat and set it aside for later. Next, in a bowl or blender, add the chicken stock, cottage cheese, garlic cloves, and tomato paste, and blend this until smooth. Then, once the pasta is fully cooked, drain it, reserving some of the water for later, and then add the pasta to the chicken along with the spinach, blended sauce, diced up sun-dried tomatoes, and grated Parmesan. Then mix this well and heat this over medium-low heat until everything is warmed through and the sauce is bubbly. If needed, you can add some of the reserved pasta water to thin out the sauce. Just keep stirring it occasionally to keep the sauce from splitting. But if your sauce is too liquidy, you can remove the chicken and pasta and reduce the sauce on its own so you don't overcook the rest of the stuff. But when the sauce is to your liking, divide it into a bowl and serve it topped with some fresh basil and more grated Parmesan. And with that, your Marry Me chicken is ready to eat. For this week's recipe, since the dreaded Quitter's Day has now recently passed, I wanted to make something that will help you keep your resolution going by cooking something simple that tastes great and has a lot of protein in it. So I thought that this high-protein Marry Me chicken recipe would be perfect. With the high-protein cottage cheese substituting the high-fat heavy cream of the original recipe, this version of this dish is a lot less costly in terms of calories, while still keeping the delicious creamy tomato sauce. In addition, this recipe reheats really well in the microwave, making it a great recipe for meal prep, so you can save so much time throughout the week. But regardless of if you enjoy it fresh or reheated, this high-protein, nutritious meal will keep you filled and happy while you continue working on your New Year's resolution, or even if you just want something yummy to eat. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel, so you don't overcook the rest of the stuff. Oops!